Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. This is a what sold video. This is going to be for the whole weekend. It is Saturday morning right now. It is a beautiful day here in Colorado, so we are recording early. So we only have a few sales for right now, but if you stay till the end of the video, we'll show you what's sold over the weekend. But here's Kathy with what's sold for us right now on Saturday.
Guys, yeah, so two of them are already on the table because they sold pretty much overnight.
Before we could put them away.
So first were these Nike Air Max Access shoes. I picked these up at Goodwill for $12.99. I priced them at, I think, $59.95 plus shipping, and then with our sale, this buyer paid $54.55 plus shipping. So not too bad in one day. Every time something sells in a day, I assume I could have priced it higher, but honestly, the comps were not really there. I thought I priced it higher than the comps even and was going to send offers. But... Alright, and then this handmade in Poland pottery thing that we just grabbed at the Denver bins sold to our viewer Lisa, who's purchased from us before. So Lisa, thank you so much. She picked this up for $14.95 plus shipping.
Thank you for your support, Lisa.
Yeah, and that is so pretty. I really like it.
We were totally going to keep it if the comps weren't there or if it didn't sell.
Alright, so then box P. Sold another pair of these Mossman Australia swim trunks with pineapples. This pair sold for $22.70 plus shipping. I can't remember. I think I had 6 into these. Either 6 or 8. Mossman, yeah, $6 into those, so 6 into $22.70 plus shipping. And then one last sale was on Poshmark. These are some Rowan board shorts, and I sold these for $35. That was an offer. So somebody asked me a question. I had him priced at $50. He asked a question. I answered. He offers $25. I might have normally accepted $25, but I don't know. Every time someone asks a question, I feel like I have to ask for more for some reason. So anyways, I countered. I don't know why. I mean, this, and then I have one last pair of the blue ones, and I'm honestly just ready to see them go. So I should have just accepted, but I countered at $45. And then he came back at $35. So I'm glad I countered. I almost never counter because every time I have, pretty much nobody accepts. I would say 90% of the time they do not counter back or accept, but he did. So
I even think he would have, if we would have came back at 40, I think he would have bit.
I'm happy with 35. If you look at our solds on Posh, that most of the other ones sold off at the $30 range. So yeah.
All right. Those are our sales for right now. It is about 9:30 in the morning on Saturday. Like I said, we're recording this a little bit earlier than normal. We usually go around 11:30. That's when our post office out here in our area closes for the day. So we're just gonna get out and enjoy this beautiful day. And we'll be right back with what's sold on Sunday and Monday for you. All right, guys, we're back. It is Monday afternoon. It is actually April 26th, which is Kathy and I's wedding anniversary. So happy anniversary, dear. It is 13 years. 13 years now. And yeah, we're going to follow Kathy around and see what's sold over the weekend.
Hey, guys. All right. So we actually had 2 Facebook sales. The other day I was watching Becky Park's video, and she was mentioning listing on Facebook. So I was like, well, I'm watching. I'll just cross-post some stuff to Facebook. Since we already have List Perfectly, it's super fast to just pull up any platform I've already posted to and then just get all the listings. So I probably posted 20 items while I watched your video, and 2 of them sold within the first 10 minutes. That seems to be how it is with Facebook. Usually
when it's not all glitchy,
stuff,
right?
It sells it either sells right away or it doesn't sell. I mean, a couple sales will trickle in here and there, but I honestly think most of what I still have posted is not going to sell unless I delete it and relist again. So Facebook has their own weird algorithms, but
yeah, they're still figuring it all out too.
So we have 2 sales from Facebook. So first up are these Vans. So I got these at the Once Upon a Child the other day. My average cost of goods this day was $6, so that's what I have into them. Sold them for $20 plus shipping. And then AV. These are some Crocs, like a open back mule. And these sold for 20 plus shipping as well. I had $6.99 into these from Goodwill. And we had one Kidizen sale. It's another pair of the play shoes. Kind of messy in here. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
I'm not going to reach it. But I think it's behind here, right? We're running out of space. Alright, so it's another pair of the pink ones, and I actually sold one on eBay too, so I'm going to just grab them both now. But yeah, these guys sold for $23.75 plus ship. That's about what they've been selling on for on Kidizen. And yeah, I have 10 into them, so doubling my money there. And we had 4 Poshmark sales. AF.
The crowd favorite AF box.
So this is a zippity zip. If you guys have not heard me talk about this yet, these are really good to look out for. This one, I didn't make a ton of profit because I lumped it in with the dresses that I divided up the cost on from the JBF sale. So even though this was only, I think this was like $6 or something, but since I averaged cost, it came out to 11.
Yeah.
But these usually sell between 25 to 30. That is including shipping. So on Posh, someone offered me 20, which me knowing that they're paying 7 something for shipping plus tax, they're about $30 in, which is about what it's worth. So
yeah,
I accepted, even though I'm only making like $4 or $5 off that. But again, it's average cost of goods, so everything else has been selling off way more than that.
Technically, you made more.
Yeah. Overall, I'm again looking at it as an overall purchase.
Right.
So that was that one. And then AJ, this was a stimulus check challenge sale. A super big one, not. This is a 5 Nights at Freddy's plush. I don't know what 5 Nights at Freddy's is, but I grabbed this because I saw a video Emily Conway did about some of these that sell for over like $100, maybe even like $200. This was not that one. I also watched him and his eyes got messed up. But yeah, I still listed them. I've been dropping the price slowly. It was down to $8. Somebody just bought it outright. So they paid $8 plus the Posh shipping and tax. And I had about $1 into it. So again, like a $4 profit. And then BG. These are some Croc slide sandals. These I got at Marshall's for $9. Sold them for $25. And then AG. These are some Vans I picked up at Goodwill for $5. They have only been listed a few days, but someone offered me $15. And again, they're paying the Poshmark shipping and fee or tax and everything. So they're at about $25. So I just accepted. I think these only retail for $30. These aren't even like, these are just like the kind that they sell at Kohl's, I think. So yeah, I took it. So I make $12. I paid $5. I'll take a $7 profit quickly. And then we had 3 Mercari Sales CS. Mountain. I remember what that means.
Yeah.
Alright, and then this is, the mountain shirt. It's
like
a pilot cat. Is that a pilot?
Yep. Fighter pilot kitty cat.
This is from the bins from the stimulus check challenge. Someone offered me 12 on Mercari. It's been listed a few months, so I just accepted. So about $1 into 12. Yeah. I had someone on Mercari first, like a month ago, ask me if I would do $5, and I just said no, thank you. And then she came back a few days later, will you do $7? And I was like, no, thank you. I said most of the mountain shirts sell between $18 to $20, which is true. If you consider what this lady paid for shipping and tax, it was right about $18. So. All right, and then AI. Well, let me do CU since I'm over here. CU. These are some Echo sandals I picked up when we were in Nebraska. I have $3.99 into them, and I accepted a $21 offer for those. Buyer paid shipping as well. And then AI. Nike. Oh. These are just some Nike track pants. This is something we pulled out of Chris's closet when we were cleaning before our trip. And I don't think he ever wore these. I don't even know where they came from.
I've worn them a couple times.
I think they might have came, like, I've always tell the story about how when I got into reselling, there was a garage sale right across the street here, and I got a bunch of stuff. I think they might have been part of that, and we just kept them. So I'm going to say zero cost of goods into these, and they sold for $15 plus shipping. So not too bad. Yeah, so this, I didn't do my eBay sales yet, so I'm going to pack these up, and then we'll be right back with the eBay sales.
All right, guys, we got that all packed up and had another eBay sale come in, but we haven't pulled them all yet, so.
Well, I did pull it down, so you guys saw this that we moved just in the beginning of the video, but yeah, this sale just came in. The toothbrush set, I said I had paid up for it when we showed it in our haul video, and by paid up, I did pay up. I paid $35 for this, but it sold for $69.95 plus shipping. I didn't do calculated shipping, which I normally do. I just did $13.68. That's just the shipping in my head that I thought it would be around. But this person actually lives in Arizona, so I will be able to ship it out under that. Like, yeah. I thought it might be more like $15, and I was just going to eat $1 or $2 of it. But yeah, luckily they live in Arizona, so yeah, I'm not going to quite double my money, but I'll probably make close to a $30 profit, $25-30 off that. And it was super easy to list. It's new in box. It sold in less than a week.
And it was a last minute thing, right? Like you were in line.
I saw it in the Goodwill behind the cashier, so I asked if I could see it, and I'm glad I grabbed it.
And the mentality was if it didn't sell, we would keep it and use it.
Obviously, $35 is a lot of money to put up, but that's something we would have used if it didn't sell.
Yeah.
So. And then, yeah, I already mentioned I had sold another pair of these on eBay, so $22.70 plus ship on this pair. So, yeah, I only have one left of these, so if you want it, grab it on any of the platforms where
it may be sold by the time this video goes live, just because we're a couple days behind.
So yeah, those have been selling off nicely though. All right, so then BR. These are some Skechers Shape Ups. These I have $9.99 into. They sold for $31.80 plus shipping. This is something I took a chance on a very long time ago, and it took forever to sell, so I probably wouldn't again, and I paid up for them. These are some Nike shorts. You'll see them in the photo on the screen because you can't really tell what they are here, but they're Nike City Ready, which I'd never heard of that. I just thought they looked interesting, so I looked them up. You can see the retail price on them was $80. They were still new with tags. I got them at TJ Maxx. I paid $25 for them because when I bought them, I saw a comp that was for like $60, so I figured I can make 20 bucks off these. But yeah, they took forever to sell. They finally sold for $45 plus ship, so I'll still make more than 10. Definitely wasn't worth putting up 25 and holding them for that long, but glad I didn't lose money.
You got to experiment and venture out.
I meant to, yeah. So like at one point I had a little like TJ Maxx bin that I was going to return before the 90 days if it didn't sell, and then I just forgot. So ended up keeping them, but yeah, it sold. CW. Alright, this is the last LuLaRoe piece from our bin stimulus check challenge to sell. So hopefully I never pick it up again, although I probably will if I ever find I had the bins again. I just can't, like, these were all new with tag. It just felt wrong to just, like, leave them in the bins, even though I knew I wasn't going to sell them for a lot. But honestly, I picked up, 10 pieces? I probably made over $100 profit on them, so. Anyways, I thought this would be the first to sell. It was the Mark Henley, which is a men's shirt, and it was the last to sell. This is the last piece. So $10.87 plus shipping is what that sold for. And then CM. Now these are actually my other last pair of shape-ups that I have currently. These ones sold for $27.25 plus shipping. I also paid $9.99 for these, so not the best. These ones I've had a lot longer than that other pair, so the price was lower. Right, and then CO. These are just some Quicksilver men's board shorts. I did pay $5.99 for these, which is kind of a lot for used board shorts, but I just like selling them. They sell fast at this time of year, so I just knew they'd sell. They were a nice pair. They sold for $22.70 plus shipping, so not too bad. Alright, and then BB. Oh, Reese, do you do this on purpose, man?
Well, the printer's back in his spot, his new spot, so he's going back to the old spot. You good boy.
So these are some Samsung 3D glasses.
For a 3D TV.
Okay. So Chris actually grabbed these out in a estate sale we went to a very long time ago. I would say they took a long time to sell, but honestly, we just put them in the box after photographing them and forgot to list them for like a year.
I think what happened was I did list them, but they automatically delisted, and we never like relisted.
So we just relisted them a month or so ago.
Yeah.
So they did sell fairly quickly after that, and they had interest on all platforms. They finally sold for $40 plus shipping. So yeah,
And they are new,
$5.
unopened.
Yeah, it's still sealed. You can see the factory seal there. So they didn't sell global shipping, but the address looks like it's being sent to New York, but it has like some weird numbers, which to me tells me that
Like a freight forwarding company.
gonna ship it then off to whoever actually bought it. So they might be going international.
Yeah. Which they didn't really ask any special instructions, right? Usually like on freight forwarding or drop shipping or anything like that, they make some like request.
Alright, so then box S. These are some kids Asics. These sold the first day I listed them. They sold for $18.15 plus shipping. We had like a 9% sale running this weekend, so I listed them at like $20. They sold in the sale, so I had $3.99 into those. And then BC.
Gotta shimmy over again. I think people were surprised at how active Reese. This is not how Reese is all the time. He's
pretty
just
playful.
Yeah, he's still got a little jump in his step, little kick in his step. What is that saying?
I think he misses his doggy friends. We had 2 pass away in the last year or so.
He's just a little lonely and depressed, but.
So these Crocs rain boots, I sold the other pair a couple days ago, and then these sold for $20 plus shipping. So I had $2.65 into those from an estate sale. And then last but not least, box O. Got a feel. Yeah, these are them. These are those Shredly bike shorts, so they sold really fast. Just for $20.99 plus shipping, but I paid $2.50 for them, and they sold in just a couple days of being listed.
All right, so we're gonna pack this stuff all up real quick. All right, we got her all packed up, ready to go. But as you can see, we have a lot of work ahead of us.
I did some listings over the weekend, but we are kind of in a rush, so we'll tell you about that tomorrow.
Tomorrow's
today
what's
we haven't listed anything yet. We kind of just took a lazy day for our anniversary, got some brunch, and just did shipping and one haul video. So
yeah. Typically on Sunday nights, we try to get our packages taken care of a little bit. We didn't do that yesterday, so we are running kind of behind right now. We got to go pick up Connor from school and get these off to the post office. So that is going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for getting us over 5K. We just hit 5K a couple days ago. Thank you guys so much. You're awesome. That's going to do it for today. We'll see you in the next one.